Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Mint alternative Monarch Money, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Monarch Money, begin by navigating to the Monarch Money website. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a secure password that meets the required criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Next, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree with the terms, check the box to indicate your acceptance. Proceed by clicking the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Open your email inbox and locate the verification message from Monarch Money. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Monarch Money website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Upon logging in, you will be guided through an onboarding process. Follow the prompts to set up your financial accounts within Monarch Money. Enter the requested information to securely link your bank accounts and credit cards. You may also choose to manually add accounts if you prefer. Customize your dashboard settings according to your personal financial goals. Explore the various features offered by Monarch Money to enhance your financial management. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's layout and tools. Finalizing your setup will enable you to start tracking your finances effectively. Congratulations, you are now registered with Monarch Money and ready to take control of your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.